Lab technician sample questions. Question number 1. What is the role of creatinine in assessing kidney function? Correct answer is option C. It assesses the deficiency of waste removal by the kidneys. Question number 2. What might cause a temporary increase in creatinine levels? Correct answer is option A. Dehydration. Question number 3. What is the primary target of hematoxylin stain? Correct answer is option B. Nuclei. Question number 4. Which dye is used to stain the cytoplasm of active cells? Which dye is used to stain the cytoplasm of active cells? Correct answer is option D. Light green SF. Question number 5. Which is the primary method of transmission of dengue from mosquitoes to humans? Correct answer is option C. Biting. Next, question number 6. Question number 6. What are the treatments derived from plasma used for? Correct answer is option B. Treating burns, shock, trauma and other medical emergencies. Next, question number 7. Which condition can therapies derived from plasma help treat? Correct answer is option C. Autoimmune disorders. You can join our Telegram channel. Check the description. Which condition can therapies derived from plasma help treat? Question number 7. Correct answer option C. Autoimmune disorders. Question number 8. What do some health organizations call plasma? Correct answer is option A. The gift of life. What can doctors diagnose using pap smear results? Correct answer is option C. Cancer and sexually transmitted diseases. Next, question number 10. What might be included in a pelvic exam besides inspecting the reproductive organs? Correct answer is option B. Breast examination. Question number 11. How can nucleic acid, DNA and RNA be present in viruses? Correct answer is option C. Either single stranded or double stranded. Next, question number 12. What is the range of molecular weight of viral nucleic acid? Correct answer is option D. 2 million to 200 million. 13. What happens when the bone marrow is scarred in myelofibrosis? Correct answer is option B. It cannot make enough blood cells. Question number 14. Which of the following is not a component of blood? Correct answer is option D. Stem cells. Question number 15. What happens during an incisional biopsy? Correct answer is option C. The surgeon cuts directly into the tumor. Next, question number 16. Which dye is used to stain the cytoplasm of active cells? Correct answer is option D. Light green SF. Question number 17. What does the orange G6 stain in Papa Nicolau staining? Correct answer is option B. Option B. Cytoplasm of mature keratinized cells. Next, question number 18. Which of the following is a potential complication of severe thalassemia? Correct answer is option C. Slowed growth rates. Question number 19. What is the primary function of the alpha and beta chains in hemoglobin? Correct answer is option C. Carrying oxygen. Question number 20. What is the term used for the fragment of a carboxyl acid excluding the hydroxyl group? Correct answer is option A. Question number 21. What is the transvaginal ultrasound used for? Correct answer is option B. Examining female reproductive organs. Question number 22. How is a transvaginal ultrasound performed? Correct answer is option D. Through the vagina. Question number 23. What complication can arise in pregnant women if exposed to chickenpox? Correct option is option D. Fetal varicella syndrome. Next, question number 24. What is the term for the painful cluster of blisters that can occur after having chickenpox? Correct answer is option C. Question number 25. How long can sperm live inside the female reproductive tract? Correct answer is option B. Next question number 26. What treatment option is usually considered for younger people with myelofibrosis? Correct answer is option 3 or option C, bone marrow or stem cell transplant. Next question number 27. What is the prognosis for people with primary myelofibrosis? Correct answer is option A or 1. Survival rate is about 5 years. Question number 28. What lifestyle change is not recommended to reduce the risk of atherosclerosis? Correct answer is option 2 or B. Eating a diet high in saturated fats. Question number 29. What is the recommended frequency of exercise for individuals at a healthy weight to reduce the risk of atherosclerosis? Right answer is option B or 2. 30 to 60 minutes a day of moderate intensity exercise 5 days a week. Next, question number 30. What time frame is mentioned for the duration of typical emotional responses after a heart attack? Correct answer is option B or 2 to 3 weeks. If you like the video, then subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.